What's going on? Tonight, there's literally like almost a midnight cruise to get photos in the Mustang, and I'm about to hit that way now.
1 hour later.
So I just pulled up to the meetup spot. This should be a good turnout. Hopefully it's safe. I mean, I'm gonna be safe, but you know how other people get. So out here, it's pretty deep. We have Mustangs everywhere. We have another dark horse, two dark horses, GT350, and then there's a Cobra back here. And this is sick too. All right, we heading out. Hour late, but we heading out. Let me put my phone right here. Should be a good little drive, huh?
I can't even hear anything. It's just so loud.
Well,
all right, guys, here we go.
so we made a quick stop to let everyone catch up, and so many people are looking at us because you don't see 10, 20 Mustangs just in one spot like this. I'm not sure how much this has recorded. It's been acting weird lately. But guys, they are getting after it. Y'all know I'm a grandpa. Not really, I'm Unc. So I've been cruising. They are hot tonight. The cops are hot because they got this highway hot. So the reactions that we're getting is hilarious. People are pulling their phones out everywhere. It's kind of hard to drive and record. Don't do that. That's why I have y'all mounted. It's kind of fun. We are deep. But yeah, like I said, y'all hear it. I feel like that's the downfall of this. You make too much noise, it gets reported, laws pull up. Sometimes you just gotta cruise to the thing. So this dark horse is on a tire. Then there's a boosted S197 over here. is clean. And then there's like another, what, probably ESS? I had to guess. Yeah. 2 dark horses. Whole bunch of nice stuff. It's clean too.
We going to her meet tomorrow. I said probably not. Fucking me, probably not.
I've never seen that intake before. Hey, I'm about to skedaddle myself, but it was a good turnout. A bunch of Mustangs. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. That could conclude the Mustang meetup, rollout, whatever you're gonna call it. It was supposed to be a roller to get pictures and things, but you see how that turned out. Well, that was quick. This didn't last long at all. So the meet has kind of cleared out. I got here late, had to work. This is one of those that will probably end fast with people cutting up, sitting on the side of the road. So we'll see how long I'll be here. Hey. Woo. Yeah, I know this is probably quick. Man. These night meets are something else. Then an officer just pulled up over there to get people get on the highway. He's done, gone. There's a bike that recently just wrecked right here. I didn't run over there and record it because, I mean, I wouldn't want anyone recording me. Everyone ran over there, but yeah. So it's time to go get pictures of the cars. This is a little too hot for my liking, so I'll pick the camera back up when we get there. Well, I was gonna pick it up, but I got the GoPro on. So one of the people here said he's actually a photographer and we're gonna go take pictures. Sorry if my GoPro's moving all over the place. That's what we're doing tonight. Tonight's one of those random nights, just all over the place. Hope you like this content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. It wasn't really anything worth recording at that meet. So there used to be meets over here, but things like tonight ruined it. It used to be cars and coffee, but you have people that literally just don't know how to act. It's mainly younger people, I'm not even gonna lie. Like late, like teenagers, early 20s, things like that. They get these high horsepower cars and then come act a fool. Security put up, these are telltale signs. Should probably go home because like so much is going on. So now the plan is to try to go get photos over there at the Ferris wheel. I don't know what my temps are at because I had the car on because I didn't know what we were doing, so. Oh, they're not bad, 204. So we got pictures and stuff in, but it was a cool turnout. About to head to the crib, good hour drive, so peep that. That's cool, you come out the tunnel and see that.